Let's take a quick look at the AIRROBO T20 self-emptying robot vacuum. This smart vacuum cleaner takes the hassle out of cleaning with its self-emptying dustbin, a feature I absolutely love. The included clean base allows the T20 to automatically dispose of debris for up to 60 days of hands-free operation. What impresses me most is the powerful 3000 PA suction and multi-surface brushes that pick up dirt, pet hair, and debris with ease on both carpets and hard floors. The LiDAR navigation system efficiently maps and cleans your entire home. It has a large 600 mm dustbin capacity and can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge. You can also set custom cleaning schedules and no-go zones via the mobile app or voice control. Pros are the self-emptying base I'm a huge fan of, strong 3000 PA suction power, multi-surface brush design, LiDAR smart mapping, large 600 mm dustbin, long 180-minute runtime, scheduling, and no-go zones. The only potential con is the higher price point. Click the link in the description to experience true automated cleaning with the innovative and powerful AIRROBO T20 self-emptying robot vacuum.